Alright, so gagawin ko lang itong video na to I'll try to be quick. Kasi may nagtanong sa YouTube ko, self-studying daw siya. So, and then sabi niya, nakakatugtog daw siya kapag nanonood siya ng tutorial. Pero pag hindi na daw siya makatugtog. Ano daw yung tips na pwede ko ibigay sa kanya? So, once na narinig ko, allergic na yata ako sa term na self-study, Pero once na narinig ko yung term na yun, the only logical or reasonable advice you can give someone is to get a teacher, no? Tagal ng tagal ng issue yan Ewan ko dumadami na naman, no? Simula yung pandemic, ganyan. The reason why I started creating content was because of this, what do you call it? Ignorance of people thinking na madali lang to, ganyan. Kayang-kayang gawin mag-isa, ganyan. So, yun, hindi ko sinasabing kakayahan, hindi kaya, no? May mga taong kaya yun because they have a certain skill set or a certain talent. Pero for a normal human being, yung self-study hindi talaga maganda. Not really a good practice. Kasi the violin nga is the hardest instrument to learn, sabi. So, kung gusto mo talaga matutunan yan, na hindi ka lang aasa na makakatugtog ka lang pag nakaharap ka sa YouTube or something, you have to find someone who will teach you or guide you through it. Walang shortcut dito. Hindi siya, sabi ko nga, ang violin, hindi pick up and play instrument. Na okay, makakita ka ng chart, chord chart or whatever, makakatugtog ka na. Katulad sa guitar or piano, parang simpleng chords kaya mo nang gawin. Pero kasi, diba, ikaw gumagawa ng tunog mo, ikaw nagtotono, ikaw lahat. Yun yung sa violin. Mahirap sa kanya. So, lahat ng factors, ikaw ang sisisihin, no? Kahit nga pangit violin mo, diba, sabi natin, kayang tumunog ng maganda kung maayos ka magpatunog. Hindi siya maloloko. No? It's in your skills. So, invest in your skills. Kasi yun yung game changer dun Sabi niya, gusto niya din matuto ng pagbabasa ng nota. Paano makabasa ng nota? Hindi ka nga nag-aaral. So, you need guidance. Proper guidance is key dito sa ginagawa natin. No? That's why I'm trying to advocate people to learn it properly. Kasi, number one, yun, there's a higher risk for injury and long-term effects, diba? Pangalawa, yung pag-aaral kasi talaga, you want to give it, if you want to learn something, you have to give it time, effort, and resources na din. Meron mga tuturo ng libre. Pero, as much as possible, there's no such thing as a free lunch nga, diba? So, lahat yan may kapalit, in a way. So, if you're not paying for it, baby, baka kaya libre dahil hindi niya rin alam yung ginagawa niya. So, parehas kayong lost. Diba? May mga ganun. Or baka kaya libre, hindi siya pa confident na kaya niya maturuan ka. Diba? Kasi we give value to ourselves. Anyway, so yun. Yung kung mag-aaral ka mag-isa or may violin ka na, I think investing at least 5 to 10 sessions para lang alam nyo yung ginagawa nyo is your best advice that I could give you. Kasi mahirap magbigay ng advice na I wouldn't really do by myself. No? So, ayoko magbigay ng advice na, sige, aralin mo lang ganito, okay ka na. Kasi hindi naman siya ganun talaga. So, kung sa tingin mo okay na yung skills mo, adequate na, syempre, okay ka na. Hindi ka na magtatanong, di ba? Pero kung hanggang ngayon, matagal ka na nag-aaral, hanggang ngayon hindi ka pa rin masaya or naku-frustrate ka pa rin sa sound mo, baka it's really time for you to get a teacher. No? I don't wanna push myself na ako maging teacher nyo or anything. But I still have a few slots open. Pero get the best person na malapit sa inyo or madali nyo makontak para mas maganda yung maging experience nyo. No? So, hindi ko sinasabing sa akin kayo mag-enroll. Kung malapit kayo, may malapit sa inyo na maayos, di doon kayo. Wala namang problema yun. And, good luck lang sa mga pag ginagawa nyo. Kasi, it's better to have someone guide you. Diba? we're at this stage in our world, in our society where information is readily available. But ano ba yung binibigay ng teacher na hindi kaya ibigay nitong mga information na to? Number one is feedback. Yun yung pinaka-importante. Na pag mali ginagawa mo, papatigilin ka, sasabihin niya na sa'yo kung ano yung dapat mo masikusin. Hindi kaya ibigay ng AI, hindi kaya ibigay ng YouTube, yan kaya ibigay ng videos na pinapanood natin. No? Kahit sabihin mo, galing ko, kaya kong sundan. Are you sure na tama yun? Are you sure na tamang part ng body mo yung ginagalaw mo? Diba? Hindi ka sure. Kailangan mo munang malaman ng harapan kung ano talaga yung tama at mali. Kasi our brains are not equipped to tell us what's right from wrong. Kung ano yung nakakasanayan natin, yun yung gagawin natin. So kung nasanay ka na sa mali, paulit-ulit na mali yung gagawin mo. And if there's no one to correct you or guide you through the proper path, mahirapan ka magbago. Yun yung binibigay ng teacher. That's why it speeds things up. Because yung mga hindi mo kailangan, hindi niya ibibigay sa'yo. Diba? Kasi sobrang daming information na yan. You can't really scan through them on your own. No? A teacher speeds up your progress 10 times. Because they already know kung saan ka dadalhin. Diba? Alam na nila yung tama at maling diskarte. Alam na nila yung tama at maling experience. So, alam nila kung ano yung dapat mong malaman na dapat mong gawin. And, ayun, nauuso kasi diba? Parang, may internet naman, ganyan. Pero, yun nga, feedback. That's something that's not readily available right now. Yun yung teacher. Yun yung intangible, sabi nga nila. Although 90% of the work of a student comes from them, yung vital na 10% from the teacher is really important. No? Kahit na ikaw ang nagtatrabaho, paano mo malalaman ano yung tatrabahuin? So sa mga nagbabalak dyan mag-aaral ng violin, please do try to learn it properly the first time. Para hindi rin kayo magkaroon ng regrets. Sobrang daming bumibili ng mga mamahaling instrumento tapos hindi nagli-lesson. Tapos makikita mo, reason for selling, walang time. Or reason for selling, quitting. Reason for selling, hindi kami tugma or hindi kami match ng instrument. Yung mga ganun, parang, if you just spend time with a mentor, baka sakali, na-enjoy mo yung, whether that's a hobby or gusto mo karirin, there's no shortcuts. And a mentor will help you speed up kung ano yung kaya mo ibigay. But of course, at the end of the day, your money, your rules, your time, your rules, diba? I'm just here to give you advice. And I think a lot of musicians would agree with me sa mga sinasabi ko na hindi to madali. Kailangan mo talaga na may magtuturo sa'yo. So good luck sa mga journey nyo as musicians or as violinists. And sana you succeed with the help of a teacher.